Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool ICE-CONTNR Part WPW10558423. The Whirlpool ICE-CONTNR Part WPW10558423 is an ice container for refrigerators. It is designed to store and dispense ice cubes from the refrigerator's ice maker. The container is made of durable plastic and features a clear lid for easy viewing of the contents. The container has a capacity of up to 3.5 pounds of ice cubes and can be easily removed from the refrigerator for cleaning or refilling. The container also includes a built-in handle for easy carrying and transport. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool refrigerators, including models with SID. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement ice container for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to store and dispense ice cubes. It does not fix any symptoms, but it can be used to replace a broken or damaged ice container. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the ice container to the back of the refrigerator. 3. Lift out the old ice container and discard it. 4. Place the new ice container in place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in the refrigerator and turn it on. 6. Press and hold down the reset button on the ice maker for 3 seconds to reset it. 7. Wait 24 hours for your new ice container to produce its first batch of ice cubes. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.